So the bit I'm most excited about is marinating the pork and making the actual crispy, smoky patties.
Small man.
Small man.
I mean the kidney. Good for your cow. You know, cow kidney is good for your more manly.
So today we are joining a cooking class with GIOAN Cooking School here in Hoi An. A little bit of a rush morning, but we've arrived, got on some push bikes and ridden down to the local market. Here I think we're going to get our ingredients and then head back and start cooking.
And chicken eggs. These are really good for your protein. I think you perfect just for Alex Swan.
Yeah, okay. I'm puny. Puny boy.
More protein.
Apparently I need to eat goose eggs because they're worth 10 times what a chicken egg is because I have ridiculously small arms. Apparently. This Vietnamese coriander. It smells like our normal one, but a bit sweeter. It's like a long leaf. I've crushed it up now, though. Wow, well that was a bit of a whirlwind, and it was definitely caused by us because we were just quite late this morning. We had trouble getting a taxi, and it was crazy. Typical Asian market visit, which was just like so much going on, so many foods, smells. It was awesome. We've come to GIOAN Cooking School, which comes highly recommended from a close friend of ours. We'll link to her blog below. And we're finally back at home with our ingredients, and I think we're making some dishes that we picked that are some of our favourites from Vietnam. So our first dish that we're making is chilli lemongrass chicken.
Can you buy lemongrass in your country?
Yes,
excellent.
but it's never as good as this.
Oh,
like, this
really?
is fresh. It's always very dry. So.
First, can you please cut the leaf off because the leaf is not very good to eat. And the root here very delicious, so don't cut too much, just cut a little bit. Okay, step one ready.
We've done the first step, which is garlic and lemongrass along with oyster sauce and oil. Step number 2 is to marinate the fish or prawns with stock powder, sugar, sesame oil and chunky lemongrass for a minimum of 30 minutes.
So now we're going to make green mango salad, which is one of my favourites out here. In fact, I've enjoyed all the salads and I really want to know what it is that they put on the dressing, so that's why we picked this dish.
Step number 1, crush and chop onions.
We chop the ginger. So next we're taking the mango and peeling it in strips. So then we stack them up and slice them.
Shredded our mango, or chopped into very fine slices. And next is to mix the mango with the sugar and put it in the fridge.
Big sugar.
Like this.
And use your hand to mix it, to dissolve the sugar in your hand.
So put mango into a cloth and squeeze the juice out.
This is a cotton cloth. So we just need mango quite dry so they are crispy when we add the dressing sauce in.
The next is to make the dressing sauce. So for the sauce we need 1 fresh chopped chilli.
Sure.
My glamorous assistant has done already. 2 tablespoons of sugar.
And
2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And half a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Why do we do this?
to know the temperature of the oil.
Can
you see the bubble? Oh yeah!
So if it bubbles, then we know we've got
ready.
hot oil.
Heat 1 tablespoon of oil, medium hot, Add the shallots and stir fry for 30 seconds.
Until you got smell delicious. What do we put next? Do you know?
I'm going to add the shrimps until they've gone pink in 1 minute.
And then?
Add the dressing sauce and remove from the heat to cool down for 30 minutes.
Next dish, and my favourite I think that I've tried in Vietnam so far, bun cha, which I'm really excited about because this is something I am definitely making at home, especially when we have a barbecue out, so I can get like proper charred pork patty.
We have chopped our carrot and our papaya and made it look all pretty now.
Mix the carrot papaya, which we have in here, salt and water, and then put in a cloth and squeeze the juice out. So the salt water
To make the papaya and carrot very soft.
and then we'll squeeze the water
Yeah,
out.
but they stay crispy, you know.
So the bit I'm most excited about is marinating the pork and making the actual crispy, smoky patties that I love about bun cha. Step number 1, we have to marinate the pork with shallots, garlic, lemongrass, caramel, sugar, stock powder, pepper, oyster sauce, and honey.
To pick it up and then throw them down to make it sticky. That's very important to
Like-
make the chả very sticky, you know? Yeah. Very juicy. Other way inside very dry.
Half a tablespoon of vinegar. That's probably a bit more than half.
So not only is the market visit really fun and we're cooking the stuff we love, but also drinks are included. We just help ourselves from the fridge. And it is only 10:35 in the morning, but it's free. Right, so we're putting the chicken and lemongrass mixture into the pan and we're going to cook for like a minute. I am just awkwardly using giant chopsticks to mix our mango with the prawns that we cooked earlier. Fresh mint. This is the thing I absolutely love about Vietnamese cooking, is all the fresh herbs. Just adding all these green leaves like to a noodle soup or into a salad is just amazing. We finished our dish with roasted peanuts and crispy onions and some spring onion on the chicken. So first things first is the chicken. Oh man. It's just really soft, sweet, a little bit of heat, tons of lemongrass kick. Light, it's awesome. And for the salad, with my favourite things, fresh herbs, peanuts, crispy onions. This is seriously good. If we have been served this out, I'd be extremely happy. So while we're eating our lunch, the barbecue's been brought round to the door so that we can see it. We have a fan that's been added to fan the flames, and the bun cha is cooking. It looks amazing. It looks really amazing. You can see them going all golden and sticky, and the fat that's dripping out of them is igniting the flames, so you get the nice charred outside. Can't wait to eat that.
This looks good.
Yeah, it looks great. So this is our sauce that we made earlier. We're just going to heat that through, ready to put the bun cha in with the pickles. So we're putting the bun cha together, which is to put the pork in the bottom. The cha. And then we put pickle. So some of our pickles, and then on top of that we put the sauce. Then we add to that the fresh herbs and the noodles. And then we mix it all together and enjoy it. It's so good. This is how I love noodles. There's all this other stuff. The sauce is like really sweet. A little bit acidic. The herbs are all fresh. The barbecue pork is kind of like the charred barbecue flavour. So just finished our course. We are both absolutely stuffed. I could just go to sleep. I'm definitely hitting a food coma rapidly. GIOAN was really good. Everything was great fun. The market visit, because we were late, it was a bit whirlwind this morning, but the whole thing was really good. Every dish that we cooked was delicious. I don't think it was really that expensive either, so we will make sure that they're linked below. If you're in Hoi An, definitely check them out because they are really good. Great fun. Stop.